Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and today we are going to create this easy smoky eye that I have created with the Mint to Be palette by Colourpop. I love this little guy. It is a beautiful palette and I have already a video up where I review it. So if you're interested in watching it, I will link it down below in my description box. And now please take a moment and hit the subscribe button and also ring the bell so that your notifications are on. And now let's hop right into the tutorial. I'm starting with the color Chill Factor and I'm applying this color all over my lid and I'm also bringing it up into my crease. I'm using my Sigma E25 brush for that. I wanted to try and make this shade as opaque and as dark as possible because I heard a lot of people in their reviews saying that this color isn't dark enough. And when I created my first look with this palette, I kind of agreed with them. When applied on top of the other more pastel colors in this palette, and when you try to buff it out, it really isn't as dark and as rich in color as you might want it to be. But when you apply it and you layer it on its own and on top of a more tacky base like my eyeshadow primer, then it gets really nice in richness and in darkness. So I think this color is best applied first and on its own and then just buffed out around the edges. Now I want to diffuse the edges a bit, so I'm taking the color Seltzer, which is a nice light teal color, and I'm using my Morphe R39 brush for it, and I'm just blending it out. And then I'm repeating these two steps until it is as intense and as blended as I want it to be. Now I'm taking the color Chill Factor again and I'm applying it to the outer part of my lower lash line. And I'm using my Morphe E36 brush for it. Now I'm going in with the color Seltzer and I'm using the same brush here and I'm applying this color to the inner part of my lower lash line, and then I'm also buffing around the edges of the darker color. Now to add a bit of sparkle, I'm taking the color Plate Cool. This is the most glittery shadow of this palette, and it is a very nice sparkly topper shadow, I would say. It has a light mint color to it and it has a lot of glitter. I'm using my finger for it, and I'm just applying this shadow to the inner part of my mobile lid, and I think that this adds really a lot of dimension to this look and it just makes it more interesting. Now for my inner corner, I'm going to use one of my all-time favorite inner corner highlights, which is a single shadow by Colourpop Cosmetics, and it's called Serene. I have it in this little custom palette here that I have built for myself. This is my everyday cool tone palette that includes all my current go-to shadows and some of my favorite inner corner highlights as well. So if you would like to see a video on this palette where I don't know, create a tutorial or show you some swatches or brows, then just let me know in the comments down below and I can absolutely film that for you. Now I'm applying the shadow to my inner corner and I'm using my Morphe M213 brush for it. And this color is a very nice duochrome between a white and a light golden color. Now I'm going to apply some mascara off camera and I'll be right back. Here is our finished look. I really hope that you like it and that you have enjoyed today's video. I love this palette and I love all the minty shadows in it. I'm really glad that I could build up the color chill factor so easily, and I really like how this look turned out. I think this is a beautiful soft smoky eye that you can easily wear for every day because it is not too dark in color and the colors are not too bright either, so I feel like it is a very easy to wear look. Please let me know down below what you think of it and please hit the like button before you leave. Thank you all so much for watching. I wish you all a beautiful day.